This 2024 Winnebago Voyage V3538BR is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features a COBALT interior decor interior, sleeps 8, awning, skylight, leveling jacks, LP detector, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, external shower, smoke detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Voyage V3538BR is 9,289 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.